Good morning, students. Today we shall start exercise 7.3, in which you will be learning how to convert from percentage into fraction. Okay, and also you will be learning how to find out the percentage of a following number. Okay, now we're going to start exercise 7.3. Question number 1. Convert the following percents into fractions in the lowest form. Okay, it is asking to convert into lowest form. Okay, we know in question number 1 it is given 30%. So 30% can be written as 30 by 100 in percentage. Okay, can we reduce this to the lowest term? Yes, we can reduce this to the lowest term. We can remove zeros. See what we are getting here? 3 upon 10. So 30% can be written as 3 by 10 into fraction. Clear? We'll do one more question. Let's take question number C. Take question number C. What is given in question number C? 33 whole 1 by 3%. 33 whole 1 by 3%. Okay. Here you multiply this mixed fraction and convert this to improper fraction. 3 into 33 is 99 plus 1 is 100 by 3. We have got this fraction. Okay, it means 100 by 3%. Okay, see, when the percentage is given in fraction, what you will be doing, you will be writing like this: 1 by 100. 1 by 100. We are dividing by 100, so here again it is divided by 100, so you will be writing it like this: 1 by 100. Clear? See here, we can do the cross multiplication. 100 100 cancelled, 100 cancel. So what we are getting here, 1 by 3 is the fractional form of 33 1 by 3%. Okay, let's do one more question. Question number H. What is given in question number H? 1%. It is given 1%. Clear? 1% can be written as 1 by 100. Can we reduce this to the simplest form? No, it is already a simplest form. So this is the answer only. Clear? Okay. So rest of all question from question number 1 you will be doing as homework. B, D, E, F, G. You will be doing as practice. Okay. Now move to question number 2. Question number 2. What is given in this question? Find the following. We need to find 25% of 16. Question is given 25% of 16. 25% of 16. Clear? See what to do here. Look at the following solution. 16. Okay. Now, so 25% can be written as 25 by 100. Clear? 25% can be written as 25 by 100. Okay. Of 16. Multiply by 16. Clear? So can we reduce 25 by 100 first? Yes. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So we are getting 1 upon 4 into 16. Clear? Can we reduce this 4 and 16? Yes, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So what are we getting now? We are getting 1 into 4 is 4 and denominator is 1, so no value, so write 4. Now what are we learning from here? 25% of 16 is 4. Clear? 25% of 16 is 4. Let's do one more question. Okay, we will be doing question number D. Question number D. What is there in question number D? 75% of 750. Let me write the question. Percent of 750. Now we will be doing the same method. 75% is 75 by 100 of 750, means multiply by 750. Clear? Now can we reduce this to the simplest form? Yes. Okay, what we can do, 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100. Okay, now what are we getting? 3 by 4 into 750. Okay, now can we reduce this also? Yes, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now what are we getting here? We are getting 3 by 2 into 375. Clear? Now what you can do, we cannot reduce this to the simplest form and this also, so multiply both the numerator. 3 into 375, multiply it here. 375 into 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 22, 3 3s are 9 and 2 11. 1125, we are getting 1125 upon 2. Now we can change this to the simplest form by dividing, or we can change it to the mixed fraction. Okay, 1125 divided by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 5, 2 2s are 4, what is left? 1. Okay, so we are getting the answer as 2 will be the denominator, 562 1. Okay, so 562 whole 1 by 2. Now move to question number 3. Radhika liked a dress marked rupees 1200, but shopkeeper had put a sticker written 25% discount. How much money Radhika had to pay? It means when the discount is written, it means we need to subtract the amount. Okay, so in this question we will be writing the statement. Okay, we will write MRP of dress. You can write MRP in capital also. MRP is marked price. Okay, what is the MRP of dress? 1200. Discount equals to 20%. Money paid equals to 20% of 1200. Clear? Now what we will do, 20 by 100 into 1200. See, we can reduce these two zeros with these two zeros. Okay, now what are we getting? See, we are getting 20 into 12. We are getting 20 into 12. 12 into 2 is 24, and this 0 is 240. 240 is the discount. 240 is the discount. Therefore, actual money paid equals to 1200 minus 240. 1200 minus 240. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 4 is 6. 11 minus 2 is 9. 960. Okay, rupees 960 is the actual price of the dress. Okay, see here once again I am explaining you. MRP of dress 1200, discount 20%, money paid 20% of 1200, 21. This is the actual discount. Okay, we can write here discount money. We can write discount money. Discount money. Don't write money paid. Okay, discount money is 20% of 1200 is 20 upon 100 into 1200. Okay, now 20 into 12 is 240 rupees. 240 is the actual discount. Therefore, actual money paid is 1200 minus 240 equals to 960. Clear? Like this, you have to do question number 4th and 5th. Homework. Question number 4 and 5. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.